Hello everyone, this is Porosh and right now I am here at the Chashara in Naranganj, and this is the place where the movement was began, and this is the place today the people are celebrating their victory. We know our victory day is 16th December, but 5th December maybe it's our another victory day. Just look at this environment, all walks of life people come to the street and they are enjoying their another victory day. I am with my friend Siam, as you can see, and we are also enjoying our another victory day. Just look at the environment, look at my behind. This is the 0 point of Naranganj, and all walks of life people comes to the street, and just look at this. There are people everywhere. Just look at my around. There are people everywhere. Well, lots of people watching me, but I am not feeling nervous today because I am enjoying and I am just express my opinion, and I'm really enjoying too much today. Just look at this environment. There is nothing to say. It's another victory day and people are celebrating their victory day. You know, I was eagerly waiting for the declaration of the another victory day. The Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has resigned in the morning, and then all walks of life people comes to the street, and now as you can see the environment and we all are enjoying. So I think that's all, and I don't need to say anything because you all know that what is happening at the moment. So just look at this. This is the environment at the moment of Chashara. And you know, my parents actually forced me not to come here, but I don't listen their order. I come here, and now as you can see, I'm taking part of this victory rally. So really nice, and yes, that's all for now. Look at this. Oh my God, it's amazing.